Hello guys, it's Aunt Cuisine. Welcome back again to the channel. It has been a while. I wish you a happy new year's. I hope everyone is okay. Today we back again with curry chicken. We're gonna try to be more consistent, inshallah. And thank you for watching. I hope you are gonna like it. Assalamu alaikum sama gaay, maa ngi leen di nuyu di leen ziar di leen wax happy new year. Tey nag dañu ñëwoon indi curry guinar. Let's get to the video now. The thing we have is the chicken. We have 3 legs of chicken today. I usually make more than that, but I just make it today for the video. We have the Aunt Cuisine garlic blend. I use it mostly in all my dishes. It's easy. You have 2 onions. It depends what size you're cooking. You can add it more. We have the spices is we have the curry is the main seasoning we need. We have the turmeric, salt, sugar, and vinegar. Table we have is carrots, potatoes, cabbage, and habanero pepper, but you can put as many vegetables you want to. The oil, I didn't measure it. You just have to add, see how much you need. It depends what size you're cooking. Seasoning the chicken, we will need 3 tablespoons of my spices, and we're gonna marinate it with that. Hopefully we're gonna start selling it very soon, but I have to be more consistent with my video first. Now we are seasoning. The spoon was some kind of hard for me. I wash my hand and use my hand. We put a little bit of turmeric. We're gonna put a little bit of curry powder. This is gonna help you, like when you the season make it taste better, and when you fry it with the turmeric and the curry, make the color beautiful. That's the best way to do it. It's up to you, but it's how I do it me. But I already washed my hands now because I don't want to see in the comments say, oh, why is she using her hand? But I wash it, okay? Gonna put it aside and season the onions. I use 2 onions, but it depends how much you're cooking. From there you're gonna know how much I put. Again, 3 tablespoons of garlic blend. You're gonna mix it together thoroughly and put it aside. We're gonna need it, and we go now to the cooking. Like I said before, we just use a little bit of oil, but I look at how much oil you want to put on it. My oil was a little bit hot, but it's fine. This, it's my first time cooking that low. It was some kind of hot for me, but we made it. Now we're gonna brown the chicken a little bit. Make sure you look at it for it won't burn. This was the first time I used this induction pot. It was some kind of fast for me, but I like it. It did work very well for me. You turn the chicken, you look at it, if it's brown, turn it over. For 3 to 5 minutes, please turn the chicken over, flip it over. You gotta be careful now because mine stove is so quick, but you gotta watch it. Adding the rest of the garlic blend, the one we was seasoning the chicken. We're gonna add that, and the onions. We're gonna put some of the onions to the pot too. You let it cook a little bit, until you see like it's nice, pretty. You can see like the prettiest of the turmeric and the curry. Let it a little bit, 2 minutes. Maybe 2 to 3 minutes. You see how pretty it is, mashallah. And after that you're gonna put your water. I add 4 cups of water, which was way too much because it was my first time cooking that small, but you can just use 3 cups would be better, or you add it, see how much is good for you. I'm adding the potatoes, the carrots, the cabbage. I didn't add the habanero yet. I end up forgot about adding it up, but it's okay. The food was spicy enough. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt, and I keep the rest until later on because the garlic blend has already everything in it. That's why I have to be careful with the salt. But if you finish that, you're gonna see if you need more salt or not. We're adding the turmeric. We put all the rest of the turmeric. We are adding the curry powder. The curry powder is the main ingredient of the dish now. Is the main seasoning. You can get the light one, or you can the spicy. Mine, I put the spice to it to make it more spicy. Now after adding all the seasoning, we mix it up and cover it. Wait until it get to boil. After you get to a boil, we're gonna add the rest of the onions. As you can see, we use the onions in the beginning because I wanted to flavor the meat, the chicken, whatever it is. And I add the rest of the onions because I like mine to be crunchy. I don't want it too soft. That's why I let it boil first and put the onions. But at this point, I had too much water in my pot. Like I say in the beginning, it was too much water. That's why I did not cover it. I add the rest of my garlic blend. I let it uncover, but usually you can cover it if you put just as much water you need, not too much. You see it was a lot of water. That's why I let it boil for a long time for the water can go. I didn't put no top back. So as you can see now, I put the top back in because it was splashing everywhere. Now we're gonna add the salt, the rest of the salt, but you gotta taste first. After adding all those onions and the garlic blend, you check if the salt is enough or not. If it's not, you add more. If it is good, just go ahead. I just shake it a little bit to mix it. Now we're adding the brown sugar. The brown sugar is just for flavor. I like to put it in my sauce, but it's up to you. If you don't like sugar, you don't have to put it, but it's just for taste. Now you mix it all together. Make sure the sugar is went all through out the sauce. Sorry, we added the vinegar, but we didn't record it. Make sure now we mix it well. Now we're about to plate it. We eat it with white rice. It's up to you. You can eat it with quinoa. You can eat it with fufu or whatever you want to eat it with. It's okay. It's up to you. Now let's go to the plate now. Now the food is ready. I hope you enjoy it. Watching it, please subscribe, share, and like it. And we're gonna be more consistent. I see you in the next video.